If you're getting viewers in your live and they're watching, they're engaging, but nobody is actually buying, this is the missing piece. Because getting attention is one thing. Turning that attention into action, that's where real growth actually happens. A lot of creators feel uncomfortable when it comes to this part. They don't want to sound pushy. They don't want to feel like they're selling. So they just focus on giving value and hope that people figure it out on their own. But here's the problem. If you don't guide people, they don't ever move. I've seen this happen with so many live creators. They're showing up, they're giving great information, people are watching, but at the end of the live, nothing happens. No action, no next step, no conversation. And it's not because the content wasn't good, it's because there was no direction. People don't take action just because they like you. They take action when they understand what to do next. So let me show you how to do this in a way that feels natural, not forced. A lot of creators assume people know what they actually do, but most of the time, they don't. If someone joined your live, they might like you, but they still don't know what do you offer and how can you help them. You need to say it very clearly, not in a complicated way. Make it very simple. For example, for those of you who are here, I help live creators get more viewers and grow their shows. See? Very simple. Now they understand. Now, once they understand what you do, here's what comes next. Don't just teach. Connect what you're teaching to what you offer. For example, if you're explaining how to get more viewers, you can say, this is exactly what I help people with step by step. Now the viewer sees the connection. They're not just learning, they're actually seeing how you can help them further from this point. Now here's where most people actually miss it. You have to guide them, not aggressively, just clearly. For example, if you want more help with this, join my group. Here's another example. If you want to go deeper, here's where you can go next, right? You're giving direction. People need direction, okay? If you don't say it, they're not going to guess what to do next. And this last one is what makes it feel natural instead of pushy. When your focus is helping, everything feels different. You're not trying to convince people, you're simply showing them what's possible and giving them a way to continue. That's not pushy, that's being helpful. And people respond to that a lot easier. So, if your viewers aren't turning into buyers, here's what's really happening. They don't fully understand what you offer. They don't see how it connects to what you're teaching, and they don't know what to do next. The good news is you don't need more viewers to fix this. You just need to guide the viewers that you already have in the direction that you want them to go. Now, if you want more help growing your live audience, getting more engagement, and learning how to turn your viewers into real growth, join my free Facebook group called Go Live and Grow. The details are in the description below, so go ahead and check it out. All right, friend, thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate your support, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this episode, then like and subscribe to support Brand Impact 365 with LaMorvielle. And if you are struggling with your brand impact, then watch the next video.